Hi! In front of me is Doogee S70 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Doogee. Firstly, you need to find an app called Clock, tap on it and select Alarm at the top left corner. Then click on this plus icon over here and set up an hour. Finally, click on OK and choose Repeat. From here you can select days of the week. I will go with Fridays only. And then you can click on Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Now click on Label your alarm however you wish to. Click OK and tap on Default. Over here you can select one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. You can also though click on Add New, pick one of these sources over here like Downloads and pick music from your device. Then go back and click on this icon over here. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by clicking on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!